How to join a group in Roblox. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Roblox. Click on three lines at the top left corner of your screen. In here, you'll find all these options pop up. Simply click on Communities. Before it used to be Group, now it's Communities. Simply click on it. And then in here at the top, you will be able to search communities you want to join or simply join from the given communities at the bottom. Click on one community you want to join. Then you'll find join community at the top right. Simply click on it and you'll be able to join a group. And this is how to join a group in Roblox. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.